Your notion of hypershapes, or metaforms in hyperspace, what mathematical tools do you propose to analyze their stability and topology? As hyperspace is 5D, so the metaforms inside it are fourth dimensional. Hyperspace is the 5D gravity field that surrounds our 4D spacetime continuum at faster than light speeds and that underlies our entire local universe at a subquantum size scale. Space is three-dimensional, and time is a fourth dimension added onto it. Therefore, the shadows of the fourth D hyper shapes, I call metaforms, cast into 3D appear as temporal cycles, most commonly seen as looped trajectories, like the orbits of electrons and planets, etc. While such orbital loops and temporal cycles are easily observable, the intuitive leap between seeing these as elliptical over time and seeing them as comprised of irregular polygons in 4 space may be less obvious. Consider Kepler's original model for the orbits of the planets, using the 5 Platonic solids nested, one inside another, to determine the distances between the planetary orbits. This obviously proved inferior to the later inverse square law formula for calculating the orbit of any planet given its mass, or vice versa. However, Kepler's first model, using the nested Platonic solids, remains a tantalizing artifact from his reasoning. If indeed the orbits could have been calculated by using the Platonic regular polyhedra, it would constitute a 1 in over a billion chance of naturally occurring in perfect harmony. So the shapes associated with the planetary orbits are not like the Platonic forms, but may be expressed as irregular angles, and these, over time, taken to comprise irregular polytopes in the 4 space dimension. For example, the 3D cube of a planet's volume becomes a 4D tesseract over time.